Hi everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to get the most out of your planner. I'm going to show you hidden links and how to move around pages. So please watch this full tutorial because I will go over everything here. So this is the cover and we're going to go ahead and slide to open it. I am using GoodNotes 5. So this is a January start planner. And as you can tell, there is no lag between the planner. It is an undated planner. It also comes in Monday start. So let's go ahead and show you from the beginning. So this little tab right here will always take you to your index, and your index is linked to these journals here on the side. So you can use these journals for whatever you want in regards to note taking. You can't label the tab here. You can label it here in the front, like if I want to call this meetings. And then I can also label it on my tab right here, meetings. That way I can always access it either through the index or through here on the side, and I would label it there. Now, as you can tell, you have pages in here. I'm going to show you how to add more pages. So you would go to your 4 squares, you would go to the little arrow, and you would go to add page after, and then you would do current template. And you can do that as many times as you want, and you would get unlimited pages on each tab. So let's go ahead and show you some hidden links. So this is what the monthly view looks like. Every corner, top left corner, is going to take you to the daily view. Like I said, this is an undated planner. So I have different daily options, as you can tell. And this space over here on the side is just blank. You can kind of scrapbook, bullet journal, and then you have your daily view. Now, every corner from the first day of the week, whether you have the Monday or the Sunday, this bottom right corner will take you to your weekly view. And this is what the weekly views look like. Right now, I'll show you how to swap these out for other templates if you'd like. So the way it would work is if I would date this, like I'm not really sure like exactly, you would look at the calendar to know the right numbers where they go, but you would just date this with your regular pen, or you can also use stickers. I do have some stickers up on my shop that you can use to date your planner yourself, or you can use the text boxes. You can use a certain text to number your planner, that way it's ready to go. Okay, so let's go ahead and go over how to swap out the pages. So if I go to the extra pages, let's just say that I want this, let's just say an example. Let's just say this template, I want to insert this template in one of these tabs. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the 4 squares, I'm going to go to select and select the template, hit copy. Then I'm going to go to wherever I want to insert it. Let's say I want to insert it here. Then I'm going to go to my 4 squares, arrow, add page after, and I would paste the page. So now what I did is I brought a page from my extra pages into this tab right here. And you can do that with any page that's on your extra pages tab. So now I'm going to show you how to change out your weekly views. So let's just say you like this specific weekly view. So what you're going to do is you can take a screenshot of this, and you can just crop it. It has to be exactly the page of the weekly view, because if it's off, then it's going to mess up when you insert it. So let's just say I want to insert that template on this weekly view. I'm going to go to my 4 squares. Oops. I'm going to turn on the little pen here. I'm going to go to my photos icon, and since I just added it as a screenshot, it's the first one that comes out. And all you have to do is stretch it out to be exactly fitting your screen. So like, as you can tell, it just has to be exact. There you go. So now whenever I go to January, notice how the links still work, and I go here, it's going to take me to this weekly view instead. The only thing with this is if you add a sticker, for example, let's just say this is a sticker. When you're trying to move around that sticker, if you grab your lasso tool, it's going to move everything since the insert itself is an image. So the way you can do this is go to this little picture icon, grab your sticker, and then you're able to move it around wherever you'd like. If you're moving around text, make sure that images is off so that you're able to move around text freely. So let me go ahead and delete this. I'm going to cut it out. So this one I can't really actually, oh yeah, I can press the X. There you go. So that's kind of how you can switch out weekly views. The only thing is that when you take a screenshot, the quality of the planner does go low on that page only since it is a screenshot. If you want the full quality, what you can do, another way that you can do this is you can go to your extra pages and you can grab the template you want, select it, hit copy, and then you can insert it as the page after. So I want to insert it here. I'm going to go to my 4 squares. I'm going to go to add page after, and I'm going to paste the page. So the only thing here is that whenever I go to this weekly view, I'm going to have to swipe one to get to the one I want to. You can cover this with like white page. Like let's just say you want to use this for like notes throughout the week. I just took a screenshot with my lasso tool, and then I can kind of just cover this up. That way the space doesn't go wasted. You can actually use this for notes, or like I sometimes use it for weekly expenses. I'll like do it here. So you can do the same thing on this side. That way this page won't go to use. So that's kind of how you can work with the extra pages. I'm going to show you how to work with the stickers. So there's a tutorial here that shows you how to use the stickers, but I'll also show you here. So what you do is you grab your lasso tool, make sure everything is on, and then what you can do is, like for example here, go around it, take a screenshot, tap inside and take screenshot. Then you can go to copy, and then you can go to wherever it is that you want to insert it, long press and paste. Now you can also crop the white out like this. And then you can insert this sticker wherever you want. Grab your lasso tool and you can also move it around. Whenever you crop a sticker, I always recommend that way you don't do double work. You can actually grab it and hit copy and go back to your stickers tab and then go long press and paste. And that way, next time you want to use a sticker, you don't have to go through the whole screenshot option. You can just grab it, long press, copy, and then you can long press paste because you already pre-cropped it yourself. So that is a way that you can work with these stickers. So let's go ahead and go back. These little rings take us to our index, and then this little flag over here would always also take us to our index, so you can access that 2 different ways. Before each monthly view, you get a monthly planning sheet, so that this is kind of what it looks like. And this is the Create Volume 2 planner. It got an update because it was lagging, but now it's not lagging. I hope you guys enjoy this, and